What's up, man? What's going on, guys? Good morning. Let some people filter in. This one's going to have to be quick. We're just going to go over all the basics, go over the price action. Obviously, we got new all-time highs for Bitcoin. I caught a nice one-take profit short last night on the all-time high. I thought I was going to get lucky and catch the actual all-time high, but I did take profit. I did catch one take profit on the damn retest right here. Okay. I took profit right there. I managed to squeeze out a quick take profit. You know, if it was Ethereum, it would have been a lot better. But for Bitcoin, only scored 12%. 12% to the downside. I shorted again a little while ago. So I am short again on Bitcoin from the high here. And Ethereum from the New York high. We'll see how price plays out. You can see the London low was a retest of the previous low here. Okay, so that was the all-time high here. We retested the all-time high and then continue to retest the previous low. So what we're looking for Bitcoin to break down, if it's going to, is to break and lose this key level. So let's draw in our scope and scope extensions. I'm sure it's going to be no surprise that it lines up with a recovery of the green. Let's move it down to the low. Okay, there you go. There's your swing low, swing high. Scope of the move, a retest of the previous highs. Also, recovery of green. This is where I'm looking for price to come down to right now, with the 200 EMA pushing up to this direction. Okay, pushing up to 66.6. All right, good morning, everybody. I overslept a tad this morning. I like to get up pretty early. Today's my birthday, so sorry I'm late. What's the market sentiment? We had a drop and a bounce. Doesn't look like we're moving up, at least. Daniel K. So we formed the all-time high. I shorted the all-time high yesterday. I only hit one take profit on the retest here of the level. We came to the dollar off the 2-to-1 LRT extension. Okay, hold on, let me fix this. And then we broke up to the upside. All right, notable volume resistance, notable volume break, retest, recovery. All right, back down to retest the LRT scope extension. The LRT scope, okay, LRT scope, sorry. We're forming consecutive lower highs. I'm looking for a retest down to this area. I am now short from this level here, okay? If we can hold, this is Bitcoin's key level right here. Okay, we broke, retest support, notable volume support, notable volume support. So to break this level, I'm expecting to see notable volume break, retest, recovery. So I'm looking for red candles to break this level, to come down into the scope, recover the green, and then come back up and retest the previous support and resistance zone. Okay, if Bitcoin cannot break this key zone, then it will continue to push up. Okay. Let me go to XO and get that loaded up. Let me go to Trading Light and get that loaded up. All right, we'll take a look. Thank you. So, guys, I have to a couple of things, guys. A couple of things. So I have to go early on this stream. I'm just gonna get out the basics. I do have an appointment today as well as my birthday. My fiance has presents that we're gonna do this morning. So I'm gonna have to keep this stream pretty short. And then I have an appointment as well. I need to talk to small group tomorrow. I have a Veterans Day breakfast with my daughters, so I need to reschedule the small groups in the morning. Okay, so you can see the price action that comes through, right? We had the value area high of the previous session. Okay, notable volume resistance, notable volume resistance. Okay, notable volume break. See, we get a break, a retest of the previous value area high, which is what pushed us up to the all-time high, okay, last night. Pushed us up to the all-time high. Now, you can see our new value area low, all right, we came into the single prints as well. So there are single prints below, all the way down to 66.6. I'm looking for a retest of 66.6 today, okay? Our value area low, as you can see on the chart, is also the notable volume resistance support level here and here. That's our value area low for the session as well on EXO charts. So I'm looking for a notable volume break. If Bitcoin continues to buy up here, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for multiple retests of this level where retail traders continue to buy in. I want them to keep buying in and trapping new traders. Look, open interest is rising, rising, rising. Okay, open interest is up. Let's go to the footprints chart and we'll take a look at that as well. New open interest means new traders being trapped. Okay, new potential trap traders. Okay, there you go. Open interest is rising. The monthly point of control is now shifted. Mark your charts, guys. Monthly point of control is now 68K. All right, so let's go back down and get it. Monthly point of control is now 68K. So let's go here. Monthly point of control. Go to your coordinates and type in 68,000. All right, that is where we are at right now, finding resistance. All right, there's your monthly point of control. Resistance, support, break, flip back to resistance. That's where the highest amount of volume has been traded for the month. All right, weekly support and resistance looks like it's still down at 62K. It has not shifted up. All right, let's take a look. Let's zoom out here. When in doubt, zoom out. Okay, there we go. Weekly point of control is at 66. So 66 is also where I'm looking for price to head back down to. All right, 66.6. So let's move the weekly point of control up as well to 66K. All right, there we go. All right, so that's lined up right now with the 200 EMA. I'm looking for a retest in this zone. All right, guys, this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Several alts dipped into their scopes. Yeah, the altcoins, everything's looking pretty good. Let's go to Ethereum again, guys. I want to keep this quick. So Ethereum, similar stuff, right? Here's our Ethereum sniper chart. What happened? Look, notable volume resistance, flip to support, flip to support. Look at that, pinned, bang, right down into the level. And like you said, okay, we can draw our scope levels, and what do we see? Okay, what do we see? Let me turn this to the scope, right? Right into the scope, okay? Scope of the move, there we go, right? Scope of the move, previous support resistance level retest. Okay, let me bring this to the actual low here. Here we go. Okay, guys, scope of the move. That's where you'd be looking for longs. Notable volume, retesting the previous notable volume resistance, being retested as notable volume support. Also the scope of the move, okay? If I was awake, I would have added to my Ethereum long, but I was not. I was not awake. Okay, let's look at ADA. Continues to pump to the upside. Look at ADA go. All right, let's go to the ADA chart too. All right, first we'll do Solana, actually. All right, Solana comes down, like you said, to the levels. Let me bring in here. All right, let's get rid of some of this chart clutter in here. Okay, let's get rid of this. There we go. Okay, Solana. Down to the scope extension again. Continuing to hold that level. All right. Previous support resistance zone for Solana. Okay. Now we have this notable volume resistance where I'm short from Solana. Okay. I'm still long from Solana basically at my entry. All right. Here's your notable volume resistance level. We're going to bring this across the charts. It has not changed. All right. Solana is consolidating sideways in this zone. There's your notable volume resistance. Here's your notable volume support level down here. Okay, so we're looking for price to come back up on Solana and retest this level. These are your key levels for Solana right now. Okay, key levels for Solana. Even if I bring this across, you can see, look, resistance, support, resistance, support. Okay, these are key zones for Solana that needs to break and retest. All right, notable volume, support, and resistance zones. Let's go to, where's my Solana chart? Here's the Solana chart, right? We lost the trend line for Solana. All right, so keep that in mind right now that we have lost the trend line, okay? So now as we are, where's my previous low here? Okay, so now as we are, where am I doing? Oh, right here. All right. So now as we are coming down to the scope extension of this move, okay, if we come back up and retest this low, we'll be retesting the break of the trend line. If we go on the 4 hour, again, trend lines are kind of the last thing I look at, but Solana did have a nice trend line. If I keep pulling it down, look, resistance, support, potentially flipping back to resistance in the zone, right? Let's drag it out. Look, no, double top resistance, resistance, flip, support, support. You can clearly see that trend line. All right, so for Solana, if we come back up and back test resistance, not only on the support and resistance zone, okay, but on the trend line, we could see prices drop further down. Let's extend this up. Okay, we'll extend this up. All right, look, notable volume break, purple candle on the hourly time frame. So yes, we're holding support here, but we could start back testing resistance and being pushed back down. Solana had a heck of a run to the upside. Yeah, ADA is doing very well. My ADA spot is very happy. Okay, very happy. ADA just continues to run. Let's scroll out on this time frame and see where we're at. Okay, let's see where we're at with ADA. And we look left. Okay, we have broken all the highs. All right, projection played out very nicely on ADA. Okay, came back down, tested, retested the previous notable volume resistance, notable volume break, retest recovery off the trend line, and just took off to the upside. All right, that projection played out pretty damn good. But, however, now we are coming into levels. All right, if we use our most recent high or low, okay, where are we? Right here. ADA is coming into, right, our LRT scope. LRT scope, where we would potentially be looking for a short position back down. Okay, we potentially be looking for a short position right now back down. Where are we? Hold on, guys. I'm just figuring something out here. Okay, let's look at potential take profits on short positions, okay? 1 second. All right, let's look at potential take profit on short positions and why, okay? So here is your notable volume previous high in this zone. Let's spread it out here. All right, here's your notable volume liquidity zone recovery, okay? Here's your previous highs. You have previous, let's look even further left. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so for the notable volume previous high, you have in this zone. You can also see, right, if you look at the 4-hour candle, let's drop down to the hourly and look at the price action in this zone, right? Look, break, retest, continuation. So this is your first major take profit level back to the downside would be at this zone here. Let's draw it in. Okay, TP short. Retest of the previous high. Okay, what kind of percentage does that give you? To retest the previous high, that's 5%. All right, we go in even further on the 15-minute time frame. Look, you can see it even better. Break, retest, retest, continuation up. Okay, so when you look in even further on the 15, here's your next notable volume high. So this is your first take profit on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and that's almost 2%. That's your first notable volume resistance level. Where does it show up on here? This is the hourly. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, it puts price here. First of all, this level here is your point of control as well. Notable volume support resistance, point of control. All right, these are down here. Okay, these aren't here. All right, so the 50 EMA would be looking to come up to this area as well. All right, and then here's your first real make sure you take profit. Recovery of first green candle, retest the previous high. And again, that'll get you almost 2% from this level. All right, 2% from these levels. Okay, what else do we got, guys? Up or down, I don't care. Absolutely. ETH isn't too extended above the 50 to long. I just never long when it's anything above the 50. Only retest, yes. Yes, it is, in my, not financial advice, but it's, yes, too late to long. Okay? Why? It just came up to recover the previous red candle. Okay? ETH is a short position. A potential short position. In my opinion, not financial advice, of course. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for ETH right now. Why? Let's look at the confluences. Okay, hold on a second. So price just came up to recover the previous red candle. All right, let's draw in our scopes and scope extensions as well. Okay, let's draw in our scope and scope extensions. Okay, so here's your high, here's your low. All right, no surprises, exactly at the scope extension. Okay, scope extension. Now, if price comes back down and retests support and the 50 EMA curls up here, then that would be the only exception of where I would potentially look for a long position. Why? Because it's a retest of the moving average. It's a retest of a previous notable volume area. That's the only exception to the rule. All right, we can see in this zone right here, here's your low to your high. This was your scope of the move, okay, and push price up. All right. The reason is this: you have a risk of price coming back down in this zone. Doesn't mean it's gonna, but it increases your risk. Okay, that's the only reason why I don't look to do that. Let me see what happened with Naked. Okay, Naked pumped last night, right? I'm doing some stuff on Naked, guys, because Jordan's in Naked. Look at that. So after hours pumped all the way up here, got rejected at the notable volume support and resistance zone. All right? And it's looking to come back down now. However, it is broken above. So I'm just looking for Naked. It's got a value. It got rejected at this same exact level. I'm looking for a retrace back down. Here's the local scope level. All right, let's look at the local scope here. This is the daily time frame, though, so we'll go down to the 4-hour. Just wanted to take a look at this 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the hourly. All right. Just wanted to look at Naked here. And here it drops back down. Sorry, guys. I don't have after hours, so I was talking to Jordan from Rip and Dip last night, and I told him, as it was pumping in the after hours, I told him that this was the notable volume support and resistance level, and I sent him the chart. Sure enough, look at that. It opened and immediately got rejected here and is making its way back down to retest the reverse scope of the move, to retest the value area high of the range, and it's also the value area low of the after hours range was at 81 cents, which is right now. So, okay, so I just wanted to take a quick look, sorry guys, at that. And then SHOP, somebody gave me SHOP yesterday. I just want to see if it got rejected at that level. All right, that's where SHOP was coming to. Just wanted to see something real quick, guys. Sorry about that. All right, that's a huge gap on, yeah, it is. So what happened is it pumped up last night. It got news. Listen, guys, Naked has huge news. It is, you should tune in to look at Rip and Dip Traders stream yesterday. I personally am investing in Naked. All right, here goes Ethereum. Look, bang, right back down to recover the previous green candle. Okay, let me see where I'm at here. All right, right back to recover the previous green candle. So for Ethereum, this will be a key level. Retest of the reverse scope of the move. I need price to drop a little bit more to take profit. I'm only up 7%. Okay. Oh, there we go. 9%. All right. So I'm going to lock in a little bit of profit on Ethereum here. I took the Ethereum short, like I told you guys, looking for a short here. I'm going to take profit here because I just don't trust this move to the downside. Okay, just don't trust it. So I'm going to move my stop loss up right at my entry, all right, which is 48.3250. Is my entry on Ethereum short. I took profit at just under 10%, and I'm going to let it ride now, all right? What's Bitcoin doing real quick? Okay, Bitcoin really quick. Same thing, all right, good. Bitcoin short. Let me pull that up real quick as well. BTC USDT. All right, it's a red candle coming into support. Not a great sign. Doesn't mean it's not going to start dumping and whatever. All right, Bitcoin short up 11.78%. I'm going to take profit on that right now as well. Okay, going to take profit on that. Here we go. Okay. I'm moving my stop loss up to my entry on that as well at 60. Where I can't even see this damn screen. 68,135.95. 68,135.95. All right. Sorry, guys. And then what is ADA doing real quick? Let's look back at ADA real quick. All right. 1 second, guys. Just got to check. I did short ADA too, like I told you. Has not come back down where I need it to, though. Up 4.69% on ADA. Oh, all right, guys. I'm done monitoring the positions. All right, there we go. BT, well, it didn't dump. Bitcoin didn't dump. Remember, we don't want to see this in a short position. You don't want to see red candles coming back into support. It increases the probability of finding support and pushing price back up to recover. All right, what are we going to get here? We'll see. It could go down further. All right, if it breaks this level, I think we'll get a nice drop. They have a lot of traders trapped. I'm telling you, a lot of longs are trapped just in that range. Not to mention, these people are adding to their longs on these retests of these previous highs. All right, look at that. Monthly point of control. Bang. All right, open interest dropping. Open interest starting to drop. Let's take a look at the imbalances in the zone. Okay, look at that. All those selling imbalances, they're being absorbed right now. All right, selling. These were all selling imbalances and they're disappearing. Why? Because larger limit buy orders are absorbing. Let's take a look at Trading Light and take a look at the limit orders, okay? Take a look at the limit orders here. Come on. There we go. All right, let's take a look at the limit orders in this zone. I want to go to the 15-minute chart. All right. Actually, let's go down to the 5-minute and take a look right inside that candle structure. All right, boom, right off the anchored VWAP as well. Okay, pinning off the VWAP once again. Oh. All right. So look, right? All the selling imbalances, but not below the low. People are buying it up here. There's large limit orders absorbing these market sell orders. Okay? There's market sell at the low and imbalances and limit buy imbalances, all right? Doesn't mean price isn't going to go down, okay? But for right now, they're being absorbed, all right? I'd like to see it continue to push. It's trying. They're trying to push price down, okay? If we break this level, I'm anticipating seeing some notable volume coming in. Lots of stop losses and potential liquidations, guys, all right? ETH short, ADA short. Jonathan Valdez, always on point, brother. Let's go on the lower time frames. Okay, lower time frames. Oh, here's H-bar. Oh, man, I was waiting for this. I left it up on my screen because I was waiting for the potential to short H-bar, and I just missed it. All right? I just missed it. Oh, well. Let's look at Bitcoin USDT real quick. Let's take a look at the 1-minute time frame to see if it could tell us a story, right? Money flow coming back towards the red. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay. Solana getting rejected. Where's ADA? All right, here we go, right? ADA coming down. Breaks the 50. Look, money flow looking to curl into the red. Not saying it's going to, but that's what we're looking for. Market structure, right? Previous high, retest right now. Almost to the dollar, guys. Look at the market structure, right? Look at the structure. If it doesn't break below right now, what do we want to see? Right? Price to retest, form a lower high, and then break through. Okay, that's what we're looking for this zone. And then for price to come down and potentially retest the 200 EMA on the 1-minute time frame. All right, guys? That is what we're looking for. Sol getting rejected. When we zoom out to the 4-hour, we can see this was our LRT extensions. Price is broken back down and retested resistance at the LRT scope. Okay, that's from our previous high. We still have liquidity in this zone. And liquidity down here. All right, so will this be where Litecoin finally starts to break down? We shall see. All right, you can see the notable volume resistance and support on the trend line. Oops, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did. All right, guys. So I got to wrap it up if that's okay with you guys. All right. This is why I was looking for a short on HVAR. Missed this short yesterday that we talked, or not yesterday, this was before. Oh, this is the daily time frame, that's why. This was the short we were looking for. All right. Short we were looking for off of the triangle, off of the triangle. We could see a mini potential consolidation pattern here. All right. There we go. Have the devs of that indicator calculate their money flow index? No, we're still finishing up part 2. We're doing one part at a time. So I don't know at all how they're calculating the money flow. I have no problems with it being whatever Market Liberator has. I love it. Okay, Market Liberator's money flow is beautiful. Thanks for your time. Enjoy this day. Wish you have 1,000 more birthdays. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. You know, getting old. I'm getting old. So that'll be it, guys. So tomorrow, I will not be able to do a members-only live stream. Like I said, we have a Veterans Day. For those that don't know, I'm a veteran. I served in Iraq, and they have a breakfast. So my 2 daughters have a veteran breakfast, a veteran support breakfast. So I'm going to the school to have a celebration of veterans breakfast with them. So that's at 9 or 9:30 in the morning. So I don't think I can get out a live stream. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to also reschedule the small group prior to that as well. I hope you guys can understand. So again, I'm going to wrap it up there. I apologize for the short stream. Let's look at FTT real quick. Somebody's asking about FTT. I apologize for the short stream. You guys know that I love talking about this stuff. So, oh yes, FTT. I don't know why my indicator's not coming up right now. All right, FTT scope extension of the move. Now pay attention also to what Bitcoin does. Okay, pay attention to what Bitcoin does. Look at the TDI may have another little push, so you might get a pin below. But yeah, keep an eye on FTT as well. Good call on that. FTT potential long setup. If not right now, then very, very soon. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to bring it FTM, FTT. There we go. All right. FTM, FTT, not FTM. All right. Good call in that zone. Like I said, guys, keep an eye on what Bitcoin is doing as well. All right. Keep an eye on what Bitcoin is doing as well. It may tell you when the turning point is for other crypto. Bitcoin is now up. Oh, my Bitcoin short's up 18%. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, guys, just while the action is happening. All right, is Bitcoin breaking that level? All right, so this is the key level for Bitcoin if it breaks. All right, this was your good take profit 1 here. Take profit 2 is down here, guys. If it breaks through, all right, that's where I'd be looking to take profits. Just looking at something real quick. All right. See, I don't want to add long here just because I'm long from so low. So, what about SHIB? I forgot to look at SHIB today. SHIB is at its still at this triangle line. Look, guys. Look, another rejection off of the triangle for SHIB. Another rejection off of that triangle. All right. However, for SHIB, right, you also have a nice potential little Nice little trend line going here for SHIB potentially as well. Keep an eye on that, right? And then what do we see at the top? You can see these with our naked eye now, right? You see another symmetrical triangle. You guys see the trend on SHIB? It's just consolidation break, consolidation break. Nothing to it, okay? It went from the small, every single section of consolidation is some kind of triangle. From the entire move, up here was a triangle, this was a triangle, this was a triangle, this was a triangle. Everything is just a symmetrical triangle. All right, but we did get rejected off the trend line again for the 5th time right here, okay? Another rejection off the trend line, all right? And then if I drew my reverse scope from the local high to the local low, all right, no surprises, reverse scope of the move. We drop down to the hourly, and there we go. Okay, price comes up to the reverse scope of the move once again. So now you may be in, like I said, another symmetrical triangle situation. All right, another symmetrical triangle situation on SHIB. Okay, there you go. So if you can hold this level, it could be looking for, I don't know if it's going to break up or down. Price could still drop all the way down here. Okay, price could drop all the way down here and still just be a larger consolidation pattern. Okay, would still have resistance, flip to support. All right, I'm looking to add again to potential long positions. So that's it, guys. That is it. All right, if you're looking at the whole move for SHIB, you'll use your recent high and low, right? You're at your scope and your trend line right now. If it breaks down, that's your next level, 54.61. Okay, and it doesn't change much if you use the whole move, okay? If you use the entire range, not just your local area, you still have pretty much the same levels, okay? So you're at your scope right now for SHIB. You're at your trend line for your triangle. And that's it, okay? Bitcoin, wow, Bitcoin short now up 1826. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, Bitcoin is now, oh, that's TRX, sorry. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Where's it at? All right. Trying its best here. Trying its best to hold this level. If I bring this over, guys, if you look, right? If I bring this over, it's there to the dollar right now. I gotta get used to using this tool, right? Right to the dollar right now. All right, last line of support before Bitcoin most likely drops down to 666 and recovers this green liquidity here. All right, same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum has broken the 50. This is your notable volume support resistance zone. For Ethereum, okay, once again, this will be your key level for Ethereum to break, retest, and continue to drop to the downside. All right, guys? Yeah, I guess I can do 2 more. I do have to go, guys. I said it 3 times. Well, 100 times. Yeah, potential long for DOT as well. All right. DOT's off the 4-hour 50 EMA. Excellent time to look for a long position on DOT. It's the scope of the move, the 4-hour 50 EMA. All right, I'll be looking for a long position on DOT as well. All right, where is my DOT anyways? Looking for long positions on DOT. Let's see. Long on DOT. Nice call on that one. Put a stop loss there, see what happens, right? Stop loss there, see what happens. DOT, you get a lot of room for a 5% stop loss on DOT, I'll tell you that much. XTZ is back at your trend line as well. XTZ is back at the trend line as well. Okay? You're at your scope. You have your trend line that we drew before. Okay? XTZ is also coming to a potential support level right now as well. If it breaks down, you look to the lower levels. Go back up to the 4-hour. Okay, you can see this trend line we drew, right? All the way back down to the beginning. Okay, so it does have strength in this trend line. and you are hitting it right now. Okay, so I would be looking for longs here. If it breaks, you look for the next level down. Okay, no liquidity in the zone to be recovered. There's no green in this area. All right, there's really no liquidity around this entire coin to be recovered. So XTZ, you just be following the trend lines and the support and resistance levels. All right, damn, DOT might go all the way down to the extension, huh? Still, guys, be looking for a long on DOT. Okay, be looking for a DOT long. It's breaking the 4-hour 50 EMA, but it's only a matter of time. It has to retrace very soon. Okay, so don't get discouraged with DOT. Let me see. Yeah, you still get a lot of room. Looking for a close right now at the scope, okay? I was looking for a scope close right now. All right, a pin below, close above on the scope. Let me see something here. All right. Yeah, you're looking, you want to get a close right now for DOT. All right. Close at the scope, retrace back up. Keep an eye on Bitcoin as well when you're going into what exactly the other coins are doing, especially something like a DOT or an Ethereum, when they're all moving similar. See, there you go, Ethereum down to the previous high now. That Bitcoin, I'm sorry, down to the previous high. There goes Bitcoin. I'm taking profit on Bitcoin now. All right, I told you guys, as soon as they break that level, it's over. All right, there we go. Bitcoin short now up 34%. Okay, taking profits. All right, Ethereum short. Ethereum short is up 24%. All right, let me look at Ethereum real quick. All right. So Bitcoin is recovering previous liquidity. All right. Bitcoin recovered previous liquidity. Ethereum is retesting the previous high. All right. So I'm going to take profit on Ethereum as well. Ethereum candle just turned red as well. All right, guys. So profits taken on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Short positions. DOT I am long on. I'm still long. Excuse me. I'm still long on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. Still short on ADA. Where's ADA? Did ADA drop down? Oh, ADA. Where's my ADA trade? Okay, ADA. Where's ADA? ADA dropped all the way down. Be taking profits. Up 30% on the ADA short position. Good job today, guys. I'm taking profits on ADA, taking profits on Bitcoin, taking profits across the board. Okay. All right, Bitcoin, take profit. ADA profit is done. All right. Where else are we at, guys? Where else do we got to do here? This is Bitcoin. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I'm concentrating. I just need a second to take all these profits. Price is moving. Price is going crazy here. All right. Ethereum, the profits are taken. Bitcoin, the profits are taken. ADA, the profits are taken. Okay. All right, guys. Gonna wrap it up there. Okay. That is it. Great stream, great shorts. All right. Just took profit in the bank. All right. So I'm out of here, guys. I can't keep taking coin requests or I'm never going to get out. So I will talk to you guys later on, and I will see you in the afternoon live stream. Until next time, guys, as always, trade well.